Look at who's here. Look at who's here. Haven't seen these guys for a bit. This one right here, the triangle looking one. Nice little pudgy guy. Yeah. He's a stock photo. He's the star of a show. She's got all those feathers blowing. Hi, you guys. He's here on Whidbey Island. Oh, his partner's flying away because I don't got food out. And there's babies over on those houses over there, or those buildings over there. I don't think they're flying yet. I think they're a little bit farther behind than some of the warehouse ones in Bellingham. These guys have a little bit of a different, they have like a different sounding yap, but it's I don't think that they're, I think they're really, really close to the same, like, species or subspecies, but like, I'm not sure how far off they are from each other, because they're pretty much all the same coloring. They're a little bit, they're the kind of the type that are a little bit on the shorter side, but they're pretty much the same bird. But for some reason down here, when they yap, they sound very different. Like they've learned to use a little bit different sounds with each other for language or something, but they're like the same bird. Huh. You're so cute with the feathers. Your feathers blowing. And there's a bunch, you can't see it because it looks like it's all blue out there, but there's a lot of wildfire haze here. Way worse than in Bellingham. At least right now. And it's, it was worse as you go south towards like Coupal area and stuff. Let's see if we can get her some I'm not sure if this is I think this sounded like the boy, but yeah, I can definitely smell the wildfire smoke right now. Those didn't go very far towards her. Those Cheerios. Do you want some Cheerios? Do you want some Cheerios? Come here. Oh, do you want some Cheerios? She's probably waiting for the cheese. She's waiting for the bread. Just a beautiful seagull. You're not gonna yap with the other one not here, huh? She's got beautiful gray eyes. What is that? That's, I don't know what that is. She's like, what is this? It's a plastic bag. I'm gonna investigate. You okay, bud? She's looking pretty healthy still. She looked way cuter before. Anyway, so they're back again. They've got some babies around, but they're not flying yet. It looks like so they're a little bit behind schedule. different schedules, and but not far. They're not very far from each other because the other ones just started flying. Like, seriously, like, just started flying, like, last week, there's the birds that are on Harris Street in Bellingham aren't flying yet either, and they're smaller than these ones here. You going? Here you go. We're gonna go.